Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for tuning in. For those that was the last one, commented, liked and shared, I appreciate you. On today's vlog, I'm going to take you through some viewing of Scotland and my daughter's starting school, we viewing a house and lots more. This is Power Packs. By the way, my name is Bridget Oladipo. On this channel I film about faith, marriage and lifestyle, but we just relocated to the UK, Scotland to be precise, and I've been documenting my settling in here. So you're just right here on time. Please do consider subscribing, like, comment and share. The Lord will bless you as you do so in Jesus' name. Sit back, relax, and let me take you through today's vlog.
No problem. Thank you. Oh God.
Good, can I say hi? It's fine. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. So today's another Sunday in Dundee, and we just finished from church, and on our way from church we saw this beautiful garden like sitting area, resort area. It's so beautiful. We decided to just explore and see the whole place. This is Dundee. Dundee is beautiful, guys. Dundee is cool. Dundee is beautiful. Dundee is welcoming. Dundee is accommodating. Yeah. And that's the covering video. I knew I was not recording like this. I just wanted to fix it. And I like the way you are running into the camera.
I'm running to the camera?
Yeah, because you like video like your daddy. You be pretending like you don't like it, but you do.
It's not I don't like it.
It's what?
I don't hate it, but I also don't like it.
Okay. Noted.
Half 50-50.
Is what?
50-50, like half.
Mom, you don't want to wear your winter jacket because it's cold and it will save you holding something. Sit good.
Bami likes it cold now, right?
Yes, I like it.
So for you now, it doesn't feel cold.
Yeah, it doesn't feel that cold.
Even if it doesn't feel that cold yet, when it feels cold, I will talk. But now it just feels okay.
Yeah, it feels warm.
Not warm, but just okay, like regular cold.
Not like. But when it gets to January,
God's grace is generous, guys. That's what I learned in church today. God's grace is generous. It's not dependent on what you do. But when his hands are on you, ha, class. due to the number of our family, we find out that it's expedient we get a car because no regular taxi can take the 5 of us, so we have to get a car. So we started making lots of researches about how to get a car, where to get a car, and all of the basic informations, the budgets, and how much we could get with our budget. So we went car hunting on this day to the car mart, and we saw the prices. They were way above our budgets. They were expensive. No, the word is not expensive. They are above our budget. So we got to know that for us to get a car that is within our budget, we need to go to Facebook Market where we can buy from hand to hand, because we wanted a fairly used car, obviously, for a start. So coming to the car mart wasn't fruitful after all, because we ended up going to the Facebook Market where we got a car that was within our budget. Most of these cars, by the way, are manual, and we wanted automatic because of our license, which is automatic driving license. It's play date for my kids. Since they are yet to start school, we make sure we make it a point of duty to take them out from time to time for them to run around and enjoy. And this is a very beautiful environment where you can literally take your kids outdoor if the weather is good for them to play. So yeah, it was play date here, and the girls had a lot of fun. As you can see, it's quite sunny. This was way before winter, by the way. So it was sunny. The girls went out to play and they had so much fun.
You remember that for us? She said that's for us. I know she's like, it's the world's one. The world was like big. So long sleeve turtleneck shirt. Boy, I went from wow.
You like what?
I like videos.
Why?
Because I'm the star.
Nobody's disputing you at the start, though.
Yeah, but you're trying to call me.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. High pitch voice.
Hi. I look so good today.
So finally, my girls got to school today. The last two who happens to be in primary school started school today, and that is us in school doing some paper documentation while they go to class. If you want me to do a video, a detailed video on how kids get to school in Scotland, please let me know in the comment section. But basically, school is free. You don't have to buy books and all of that. For them in their school, they were even giving uniforms. Yeah, so this is how beautiful Scotland is. They got to school, and after school, this is me. I went to pick them and just wanted to know how their first day was in school. And it was obvious they had fun. Even their teacher handed me their uniform and was telling me how good they were in school. So this was the first day of school for my last two daughters. It was a very emotional time. Scottish government are the best. My eldest daughter got to school today. She's in the secondary school, and that is her first day in school. So we went to this Nigerian restaurant for our dinner date, and look at the food, was so good. It was like a regular Nigerian meal packaged in an international way. That's a jollof rice, that's chicken, that's chips. Food was good. We had the food, and everyone was full at this point and goofing around. Yeah, it was a beautiful dinner date with family. We cannot help but do this as often as possible because it is bonding time for I and my family. No matter where we are, we try to make out time for unwinding and having bonding time together, either eating out or going to the parks or mall. This is how we unwind and bond together as a family. And you don't always need so much money to do this. It's just the time for families to be together, spend some alone time, away from the screen, away from the gadget, away from the usual hustle bustle of the society, to just bond together. I think this is quite good for families. See you in the next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.